Not having to go through that.
Okay, so it's the next morning, and I went on my phone, and my Google Assistant was like, "Hey, bro, make sure you don't miss your flight later tonight at 5 o'clock." And I was like, "What?" So I'm a big dum-dum, and I've added another painful mistake to my vacation, but it's okay. It's all right. We had a great day yesterday with the horses, and also it was freezing because we're in Bogota. It's a different climate. Didn't have to use my thermal, and we weren't sure if she would be super warm in Bogota. And also it was going to be a 13-mile hike in 8,000 feet altitude. So maybe this is for the better. We're gonna go to Cartagena, we're gonna get an Airbnb, and now we get one more day in Cartagena. And I was afraid that we weren't gonna have as much time. Now we have way more time, so I'm a dum-dum. Not to mention, this just happened to the sink. Shit is off the hinges. I mean, what the f***? Have this? Who made this? Just put a single screw on. It's supposed to be a sink, right? Like, it's supposed to just stay in place. So this is the aftermath of the Airbnb experience. This thing was held up by this piece of shit. Like, they mounted this on poorly. So this came off because it's glued and shit. It was nailed on. So this was all weight. And then this sink was just basically holding, it was poorly made. It's a poorly made sink. All right, so I'm going out right now. Tina is resting in the room, sleeping. I'm gonna go see if I can find some mangosteens, or as they known here, mangostinos. I got everything worked out with the Airbnb. I showed them the pictures. They were like, yeah, that's f***ed up. They refunded me the money. They might comp me a room in Cartagena, since I made that mistake. I didn't tell them that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go get everything we need to get done for the day, get some food. And yeah, hopefully everything works out pretty well, but I get it, you know, when you travel, things like this could happen easily. And now that I think about it, I've never really had a bad experience travel-wise, so it was just a matter of time. I'm actually pretty lucky that it hasn't happened for the time I've been around, so we'll see what goes on with the trip, but I'm accepting it. I understand things go wrong, but it's our honeymoon. We're getting to see a new place, a lot of places that people don't get to see. I have to be grateful. I have to look at this with a positive mentality. So that's what I'm gonna do. Positivity. I'm gonna bring that into the universe and hopefully I get it back. So I'm trying to find the mangostinos. I'm finding everything that they gave us yesterday, but I can't find these goddamn mangostinos. Maybe Tina was right. Maybe they're not in season. So I did not get the mangostinos. I got steak and avocado and tomato instead. Used a lot of my Spanish today, so that's pretty cool. Got a little bit lost. Tried to ask some people about the market and where I could get mangostinos, and they were like, yeah, bro, we don't got any. We're gonna make breakfast with Tina. I booked a new Airbnb in Cartagena for one night. So we'll go and get there, and then we'll transfer to the new one. But not too bad. We're gonna go just enjoy the rest of the day here in beautiful Bogota. Here is the steak cooking right now. I have rice, tomatoes, and an avocado. Also, 2 eggs. This is Karina's Love Notes to Tina. First place.
I told her to make her own city. She asked me
Tina,
what kind of boats she should draw. Wait, I didn't realize on the container ship she wrote my name in each box. Cupcakes.
Very nice.
It's supposed to be a fortune telling.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna have breakfast, or brunch actually. We have some meat, we have tomatoes, rice, avocado. It's a beautiful view. My beautiful wife. Let's eat. Love it. Can't hit Tina by accident sometimes with people. Use it as a weapon. Get out the way, Tina! Alright, go ahead.
Now you're gonna hit me.
No, I'm good.
Now you're gonna hit me.
I can't hit you from here. Ah! Alright, Tina and I are out. We're going to a square that our Uber driver told us about 2 days ago. Said it was real nice, safe, clean. And it's a beautiful day out here in Bogota. It feels kind of like San Francisco. That's the weather it feels like right now. Right now we're at Usikan Park. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's a really nice square. It's cool. There's like a bunch of old style churches. It's church. And I found this, like, I guess it's like a little center of commercial, El Centro de Comercial. It's very nice. It's like very new, very clean. They got some cool, like, California style indoor kind of, I don't know what I'm talking about, but this is a pretty cool place. All right, we just found the flea market. See if we can find anything cool here, maybe for like souvenirs for our friends. Found this cute little shop area. Oh my god, vaping? No, I know exactly where we are. Hello, Milo. Oh, hola.
Hola.
I found myself Bogota. Touch. Alright, it's official. There are no mangostinos in all of Colombia. This girl just found out that there's a church in the mall. So you could stop shopping, go there. Alright, so we're just chilling out. We found this place where I guess they do like concerts and stuff, but this mall, I don't know how to say the name of this place. What is it? Usaken? No matter how fancy the place gets, no matter how rural the place gets, there are no mangostinos in Colombia. Look at all the Iberico hams they have. Oh my god. I love this ham. And now we found a really nice bar. This bar has everything. Very nice bar. Where's the bar? Alright, we found a garden here. There's a nice cool little roof garden. Nice view. This is the city. If we lived in Colombia, I would like to live here, and I would like to go to this place and like, bring my friends and they come visit. That's a cool view right there. Look at all these little plants. I'm sure that these are like scientists making sure that all the flora of Colombia are going well. Or they're just doing their work. This is like a Starbucks, but really nice. So Tina and I are at Fish Bar, and we're going to get some ceviche, maybe a wine, beer. We have all this stuff packed already, so it's a nice view. It's a little cloudy right now, but sprucing up, getting a drink. Everything should be good. It's like in Italy and Colombia. We got some wine on deck. Cheers. So we have some pulpo, and we got some of this ceviche. Tina's getting mad. This market is perfect. I'm not gonna lie, I love this place. All right, we're back in the Airbnb. All the things are packed. We're leaving for Bogota Airport once again. This is the third time we'll be there, and we're gonna head to Cartagena. So extremely excited for that. And we're gonna check out now. So it's not the greatest Airbnb experience, but it's okay. Got us safety and comfort where we need it. And then I wrote the nastiest review on Airbnb, so all is well. Tina and I have made it back to our home of Bogota. Third time's a charm. Tina and I are on the plane. She wanted a selfie. Alright, we just landed in Cartagena. It's dark out, but we made it. Alright, we just got to our Airbnb for the one night because of my dumb mistake, and it is beautiful. It is a beautiful like apartment. Can't complain about this. One night, it's unfortunate because it would be awesome to have this all night, but hey man, it's just what happens. And here's one thing that I've been waiting to do this entire trip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, Tina and I are at the restaurant. Got our waters, we're getting some dinner, and everything's pretty good right now. So this is Tina's, and that's mine. She just wanted to try it out. That's the only thing she wanted to do.
Yeah.
We thought we were gonna get langostinos. Nope. Get shrimp, bro. So we just got back. Tina had 3 pina coladas. I had delicious aguardiente, like a true local. We're gonna call it a night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. It is morning, and it was a fantastic night of sleep. I'm so happy we're here one day earlier. My dumb mistake finally cashed out. Also, look at this view right now. The ocean is so sick. Right down is the hotel we're staying at. Soon we'll be at our Airbnb, but apparently it's very similar to this. People just, you know, rent out stuff like that and you go. And this is from the bedroom too, so when we woke up, I hope my wife's not naked. Oh, she's not. This is our bedroom, and this window open leads out to this view. Tina and I are packed. We are going to check out this area because we leave in an hour and a half to the new Airbnb. I took my shirt off. Tina's like, no one else is naked here. No one else is naked. Well, guess what? I don't like the gross bra strap tan I have right now, so I'm going naked.
There's a bunch of fish, actually. It was just so dark, couldn't see anything.
I thought it was like too polluted, that they couldn't have anything, but nope.
There's little fish, big.
Tina and I are back at the Airbnb. We're taking advantage of this pool. Yeah, that area is cool. It's just, you're right, there's a lot of vendors. They're gonna keep on asking you for stuff. But, I mean, that's the hustle. Right now we're just gonna get some sun before our time to move out to the next Airbnb. But I'm really glad we're here. It's relaxing, trying to get some sun. Enjoy my honeymoon with my esposa. It's gonna be a great time. All right, so we're at the new Airbnb and it is awesome. It is perfect. We actually just left our bags. And right now here is the infinity pool that they have. So we're gonna check this out later. But man, this is awesome. Not bad. It's a good view. This is a sick view. Remember the old city? It's a port. There's a lot of history in this city. Specifically slavery. It was a port for, like, you know, everything. It would import, export everything, but very iconically that we learned at the Museum of Gold, or Museo de Oro, that this was a slave port. I didn't even know that until we got there. So it's crazy to think that, I don't know how many years ago, but a very long time ago, they used to bring slaves here. Very touristy city, very touristy town, but I mean, it feels very safe. I mean, there's people here doing things that you would never think, like with the drones, a lot of fancy stuff, buying a lot of fancy things. But it's cool. It reminds me a lot of Cuba. It's crazy how much it reminds me of Cuba. Yeah. Jose Fernandez de Madrid. Is this Franz Ferdinand? Is that who this is?
No.
Who is this, Tina? What are we looking at? No. Teach me! Tina and I are currently at La Cevicheria. Tina and I are currently at La Cevicheria. Right now we're about to order some food. This is where Bourdain went actually when he went to Colombia, specifically Cartagena. So we're gonna try some ceviche. We've been drinking all the time. The line was so long that we've just been drinking beers. We've just been pounding beers back. So I'm kind of feeling a good buzz, but yeah, it's not too bad. There's a bunch of guys here that keep on rapping in the background. I'm about to just tell them I'll pay them to stop. So we'll see what happens. We have some chips and mango sauce. Tina and I went back to the Cuba Libres because we feel like we're in Cuba again. Cheers, happy honeymoon. So this is the ceviche camarón, and this is the ceviche con limón y coco y all the other stuff, all the good stuff. We have the delicious langostina de paella. We just had lunch at La Cevicheria. It was good, it was delicious. We drank a lot more than we should have. Now we're waiting for Uber. We're gonna go back, maybe lounge in the pool that we showed you before. It's a great day. We're really happy that we came here a day early because if not, we would still be at the airport right now. So it's very good.
En 500 metros continúa recto hacia carrera 1.
We're back, and now we're here at the apartment. Ah, this is nice. We cleaned it. Just got lunch, put it in here. Here's the bathroom. Wow, nice shower. We got a sink, oven, gas, pepper, salt. Got some cool paintings. Ooh, a nice view. Still a nice view, man. The pool underneath, the beach. Wow. This is our bedroom. So we could open this. Oh man.
Wow.
TV, perfect view.
It's beautiful.
Wow. This is worth every penny. Another bathroom. My Wi-Fi. So we're gonna probably hit the pool. Tomorrow morning we'll go to the beach. And yeah, maybe we'll get some alcohol tonight, chill out. It's really nice to be in Cartagena after like Medellin and Bogota. Now it's the new year, we gotta really relax. Sunset's about to happen. What a view. All right, Tina and I are going to go to the pool, so.